I know I did jagbajantis. This is a serious matter. I'm not here to joke. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video. Today's video, you can see from the title, I am going to be doing my makeup without mirror. Who does that? Can you imagine, guys? To see, you need to keep watching. I'm going to be doing my makeup without mirror. This video is in collaboration with my friend here on YouTube. Her name is Luvmattaz. Please, I want you to go in the comment section, go and subscribe to our channel. I'm going to leave it in the comment section. Click the link. You're going to be amazed with what you're going to see. She shares beautiful content, something you want to see. Adorable mom, and it's a channel you don't ever want to miss. Does vlogs, everything about a lifestyle you will never regret that you did. It's a channel you really want to watch, guys. So I'm going to be leaving our channel name down in the comment section. Please go and support my sister. You will never regret you did. She is a mom of 3 adorable kids. You're just going to enjoy everything she shares on our channel. I'm not going to tell you more than that. Just click there. You will be convinced, amazed, surprised. Subscribe to our channel. After watching this video, tune into our channel and watch our no mirror makeup challenge as well. This is going to be fun. Yes, we actually decided to do something fun on our channel today. Yes, we need to keep the fun going. You get what I'm saying? Not yet subscribe to my channel. Tell me why. Why? What are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, hit the bell. That bell will notify you each time we upload a new video. Let's get right into this video. I am so scared. I've got my makeup here in front of me and I've got no mirror in front of me. I'm using the back of my lens to do this video so I don't see myself in the mirror. That is how serious it is. This is a serious matter. I'm not here to joke. We are going to start right now. The first thing I'm going to be doing is brush my brows, you know, or comb it, or whatever you want to call it. I don't even know. I'm going to be using my eye pencil to shape it, and this is where the clownness begins. And I'm going to be starting with my brows. You know what I'm saying? Let me look for, okay, yeah, one first of all, to comb my eyebrows. Oh God, this is so hard. Okay, let me comb the other one. Eyebrow pencil, my eyeliner. Right, hey God. Okay. All right. So I am taking it like this, so following the shape. I will stop here. I will now take. The struggle is real low. How do I look? Mrs. Clown. I don't know what I've done. Let me assume that is done. I'm going to anyways, I'm going to do the other one too. And I'm going to stop here. Oh my God, I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, you guys are just sitting and laughing at my stupidity right now.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
I am going with my foundation to highlight. Let me highlight and see what I can do. You know, I'm going to use this what it is called. Pardon me. Anyway, so I don't know what I'm doing, to be honest. I just forget about this eyebrow. There is no way. Even when you're looking at the mirror, the eyebrow at times is always going to, one will go to Abuja and the other one will go to Ikorodu. It's not always, they don't always cooperate together. Not to talk about when you don't have mirror in your front. We are going to see the clownness. You possible. I'm sorry. It's not possible. It's not possible. It's not possible, guys. I surrender. It's not possible. Work. You are going to pardon me today, guys, because there is no way I can ever do my eyeshadow. I'm not doing eyeshadow. It's not possible. Anyways, let me see first. It might work, who knows? So let me start with my foundation now. The MAC foundation. And I'm using this brush to get what I'm saying. Anyways, we never can tell. It might turn out well. Who knows? I'm just disturbing this my beautiful skin today. My beautiful natural skin that God has given to me. I'm covering it with poto. You know all those roads are not tarred in Nigeria. You know those roads that are not tarred, are very rough in Nigeria. This poto that it's poto. I'm doing poto face. Let me try and blend it well, you know, without altering my eyebrows. I'm going to see myself in the mirror. Let's assume that is done. I cannot come and kill myself. Let me try a little bit to blend it with my beauty blender. No mirror makeup challenge. We've been trying to do this for a long time with Luvmattaz, and I am happy that we finally did it. I'm thinking of doing my eyeshadow. Let me see how that is going to go. So let me use this OPV palette, and I am using this fluffy brush. So which color? Let's try this color. With this color, you know. Using this very dark color. I'm just gonna put it on the contouring area of my eye. If that is right, I don't know, whatever. I use this very dark eye pencil in my waterline. Next, I'm going to be lighting. I'm passing my boundary. I lighten, really. This beauty blender to blend. Wait, I'm not done yet because I can't see myself. I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. All right, let me do this. Stop there. Now it is time to highlight with my very eye powder. You will never know how important your mirror is until you do this challenge. I'm going to try and blend all this wuru in, jagba on my face without I know I've done jagba. I need nobody to tell me that. I know I did jagbajantis. Let us assume it's okay. Two favorite lip gloss or lipstick. I don't even know what this is. Let me see. Lip color stay matte. That's what they said it is. Let me do highlighter. Anyways, I'm also going to be using this fluffy brush to do the highlighter. Wait though, this is not highlighter. Blush. It's time for the big reveal. Oh, I tried though. What do you guys think? Oh, I tried, Shao. It's not bad though, to be honest. I praise myself. I can even go out like this to pick my kids from school. The eyebrows. The eyebrows is just playing randa rosary. And I actually did a great job on the highlighter. I was able to do this side very well. And shiny baby is here. My lipstick. Anyways guys, we've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much if you've stayed to the end of this video. I am saying a big thank you to you all. Subscribe, hit the bell, and stay supportive. So I'll see you all in my next video. And please do not forget to check out my sister's Luvmattaz, because she did the same video. I want to go and do the round 2 laugh. Well, tune into our channel right now and support my sister as well. So I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.